Good morning, children. Today, in our English class, we are going to learn the new lesson, the new shawl. The new shawl. Lesson number 7. Take out your new voice book. This book you all take. Take page number 53. Page number 53. Before going to the story, we are going to do the activity. Okay? In this room, there are so many things, right? Yes, there are so many objects, right? You are going to see to that and write what is it. Okay? I will show you a few. What is it, children? What is it showing? Pillow. What is this? Teddy bear. What is this? Bed sheet. What is this? Bat. Like that, you are going to see it everything and you are going to write. Will you all write it? Yes. Very good. Can we go to the lesson, children? Yes. What is the lesson name? The new shawl. The new shawl. What is the lesson name? The new shawl. So, can we read the lesson? Yes. One day, the great Buddha went for a walk. Who is a Buddha? Buddha is also worshipped as a god. He is great in meditation, peace and calm. Okay? So, he is called as Buddha. Yes, he is also worshipped as God. Okay? He went for a walk one day. Keep your fingers and read along with me, children. One day, the great Buddha went for a walk. A monk came to him and said, I need a shawl. A monk came to him and said, I need a shawl. I need it for the winters. So, a person, okay, a random person who is alone is called as monk, okay. He came to Buddha and asked for a shawl. What he was asking the shawl? For winter. In winter it will be cold, right? For that he asked for a shawl. Okay? Can we read it once again? One day the great Buddha went for a walk. A monk came to him and said, I need a shawl. I need it for the winters. Did you all read along with me? Once again, one day the great Buddha went for a walk. A monk came to him and said, I need a shawl. I need it for the winters. So what the monk asked? He asked for a shawl. What did Buddha ask? Where is your old shawl? Buddha asked. The Buddha asked. Where is your old shawl? The Buddha asked. Buddha asked to the monk, where is your old one? You already had one shawl. Where it is? He asked. For that, the monk replied, it is old and worn out. Old and worn out. I use it as a bed sheet. The monk said, it is very old. I cannot use it for winter. Okay? It is very old. It is old and worn out. I use it as a bed sheet. The monk said. So what Buddha asked, where is your old shawl? For that the monk replied, it is old and worn out. Okay? Can we read it now? Where is your old shawl? The Buddha asked. It is old and worn out. I use it as a bed sheet. The monk said. Where is your old shawl? The Buddha asked. It is old and worn out. I use it as a bed sheet. The monk said. Next one. But where is your bed sheet? Asked the Buddha. Buddha asked, okay, your shawl, you are using it as a bed sheet. But where is your bed sheet? I don't know where is your bed sheet. He asked, but where is your bed sheet? Asked the Buddha. Master, the bed sheet was torn. I cut it. Now I use it as a pillow, said the monk. So what happened? The bed sheet got torn. Okay? It got torn. So he has cut it and he is using as a pillow. He is covering it and using as a pillow as shown in the picture. See to that. Okay? But can we read it? But where is your bed sheet? Asked the Buddha. Master, the bed sheet was torn. I cut it. Now I use it as a pillow, said the monk. So first what he did, the old shawl he was using as a bed sheet. Okay, and then the bed sheet, the old bed sheet was used as a pillow. So next what happened? You had a pillow cover. Where is that? Asked the Buddha. Yes, he had the pillow cover, right? Where did the pillow cover go? There was a hole in it, so I made it as a doormat, the monk told him. Wow! So what did the monk do? He had some holes in the pillow cover, so he is using it as a doormat. The monk is very brilliant, right? Yes. Can we read it now? You had a pillow cover. Where is that? Asked the Buddha. There was a hole in it, so I made it my doormat, said the monk told him. So, first one, the shawl was turned to as a bedsheet, and the bedsheet turned to a pillow. The pillow cover turned to a doormat. Then what happened? The Buddha smiled. Yes, that man is very brilliant, right? He is not wasting the old things, right? So Buddha was happy and he smiled, and the monk got a new shawl. The Buddha smiled. The monk got a new shawl. The Buddha smiled. The monk got a new shawl. Next, recycle, reuse. So, what did the monk do? He recycled and he reused the torn one, right? We throw away things without thinking if they can be recycled or reused. Yes, so many things can be reused, children. Yes, some few dress which is torn, they can be used as doormats or even for wiping. Yes, so don't waste. If you think the things can be recycled, you can throw it in a dustbin where they take it for a recycle bin. Okay? Yes? Can we read it now? Recycle, reuse. We throw away things without thinking if they can be recycled or reused. So, we don't even think if we need something before buying it. So, nowadays we buy lots of dress, lots of things, right? Lots of toys. We don't even think whether we need it. For sure we don't think. So, before you buy, you have to think a lot if you need that dress or not. If it is not necessary, don't buy. Okay? Our grandparents carried cloth bags. They did not use plastic bags. Cloth bags can be recycled. So plastics are not at all good. So always have cloth bags. Okay, when you are going for a shop, take your own cloth bag. Tell your mom and dad to take a cloth bag when they are going out for buying vegetables or groceries, whatever it is. Okay, don't get plastic bags. Okay, children, say no to plastic. Okay, see, say no to plastic bags. Bring your own cloth bag. Also, you should not take your plastic bags to shops. Okay, you should take only cloth bags. Okay. So, nature has given us plenty of things. We must use them wisely. We should recycle and reuse. Okay? Nature has given us so many things, plenty of things to us. We must use them correctly. If you don't use it, we are only suffering a lot, right? if you waste water, we are only going to suffer without water. So don't waste anything. Okay, children? You should recycle and reuse the things. Okay? This story is written by Arvind Gupta. Who has written the story? Arvind Gupta. So the new shawl is written by Arvind Gupta. Okay, children. So recycle and reuse your things. Okay, will you all do it? I know you will do it for sure. Okay, I will meet you in the next class. We will do all the book back exercise and then we can write the notes for this lesson. Okay, children, I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Sai Ram.